How to add shipping options in Facebook Marketplace. Open the Facebook. Tap on the Marketplace icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the option Sell. Tap on any of these options in order to create new listings. Enter the details of your choice. Scroll down. You can find the section for listing options. Tap on the option Additional Listing Options. Scroll down. You can see the section for meeting preferences over here. You can find the options like public meetup, door pickup, your drop-off. If you tap on these options will be available as the shipping options for the buyers. Check on the box right next to your preference. You can check on as many boxes as possible. Once you do that, these options will be available as the shipping options. Fill in other details and tap on the option Next in order to create the new listing. Your shipping options will be added to the listing. Like this, you can add additional shipping options on Facebook Marketplace. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.